So, what makes Salodic so special? First, the water is crystal clear with the breathtaking turquoise tint perfect for a refreshing swim. Second, the vibes here is incredibly peaceful, surrounded by a lush tropical forest. It's the ultimate spot to meditation, picnic, or just accept the city noise. The next spot, located right in the heart of Bulagai, Central Sulawesi, lies a hidden gem known as Paisupok Lake. Often called a paradise in the jungle, this lake is famous for its crystal clear, deep blue waters, so transparent it looks like a mirror reflecting the sky. If you are looking for adventure, there's plenty to do. You can dive right into the freezing water for a snorkeling session, or if you are prefers to stay dry, hop on traditional wooden boat or a canoe to glide across the surface. For the perfect aesthetic shot, paddleboarding is the way to go. It literally feels like you are floating on air. Every corner of this place is a photographer's dream, especially if you fly to drone to capture the scale of its beauty. And when you are done exploring, you can just kick back in one of the gazebo, breathe in the crisp forest air, and soak up the silence. Paisupok isn't just a destination, it's a piece of magic. There are two ways to get to Paisupok. The budget-friendly route is taking the ferry to Salakan, which takes about 4 hours by sea plus another 3 hours on the road. But if you want to save time, go for the speedboat. It only takes around 90 minutes and take you straight to the lake. It costs a bit more, so it's great choice if you are splitting the cost with friends. The next stop is just 50 minutes away, Paisubatango. This place is just as stunning as Paisupok. It's crystal clear freshwater pool where the locals are super welcoming and these vibes are so peaceful. The water is ice cold and freezing, and for the adrenaline junkies, you can cliff jump into the blue. 12 fair warning, the path to the top is a bit of a scramble. To wrap up your trip, Boganda Beach is the perfect final stop since its right is the same area on Beleng Island. It features a long stretch of white sand and is the best place to accept the crowds at the lake. Nothing beats chilling here with a fresh coconut in hand. You can spend your time swimming or snorkeling through the pilot's coral reefs. If you want something more low-key, take a stroll along the iconic wooden pier or relax under the palm trees with the ocean breeze. It's the ultimate definition of a peaceful getaway. Heading back to the city, we have Bukit Kelas. You're the other spot we are across the sea. This one is right in the center of Luwuk. It's only a 15 minutes drive to get the best bird eye view of the city. Watching the sunset here is incredible. You can see the harbor and the blue waters of Lalong Bay before the city lake eventually take over. It is the perfect way to end the day. For something a bit more unique, we are heading to the Maleo Sanctuary. It's a bit of a journey. about an hour or so away, but it's worth it to see this Edegri Sulawesi icon. You get a behind-the-scene look at how they protect, starting for the eggs-laying cities to watching the teeny chicken. They even have different areas set up to host the bears depending of their egg. Piala Waterfall is one of Luwuk City's most iconic spots. It's so unique with its turquoise water and beautiful tiered structure. Just 15 minutes from the city center, you will find this green and blue paradise. The air so fresh and surrounded by trees is the perfect place to just relax and lose track of the time. You can swim as much as you want to in the refreshing natural pools. If you are up for a challenge, try jumping off the small cliff or just grab some photos with the iconic backdrop. Just a quickly hands up for anyone visiting. Be careful, as the rocks can be quite slippery.